this hairstyle was super quick, super simple, and it's just like, you know, something to switch it up so it won't look so basic. Okay, y'all, so this is like a week and a half old silk press I did with my BaByLiss. Scalp is getting a little dirty. Hair is still straight, but getting a little flat. I'm gonna try this 90s hairstyle. I'm gonna use the BaByLiss. I know I'm kind of contradicting myself because I don't typically use like flat iron my hair often, but for the sake of this hairstyle, I'm gonna use these because I know it'll give me a good flip because of the heat. But I'm going to put it on, we're gonna do 380. I have some of this, don't judge my nails. I'm in a phase of transitioning from acrylic and dip powder to just back to my natural nails. But this Mega Hold hairspray by Aussie, I like to use this because it's like still a flexible hold. Yeah, it does say 24-hour flexible hold, but it's flexible and it's not like got to be hairspray where it's like so stiff and your hair is just, you just completely need to wash it when you're done. So I like to use that. So I'm gonna use that to hold my style in place. Just get a comb to part my hair, a wig brush to brush my hair. Then I'm using this BaByLiss Edge Braid and Lock Hold Gel. My daughter actually bought this for her to practice on her doll's hair, but it's actually good. We had never used it before. She just was like, let me get a, you know, she was collecting her little supplies to do her own hairstyle for her doll, and this is what she picked up. And your edges will be actually laid. Can't use too much because it'll start looking crusty, but if you use the right amount, you're good. And then just a toothbrush for the edges. Okay, I paused before we get too deep into the hair tutorial. Take a second, make sure you click subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check the description in this video so you can look at my beauty playlist to see other hair videos, other beauty videos, just like, you know, how to be cute, how to feel your best self. And then follow me on IG at iNicole, same as like my YouTube handles. Let's get back to the video. All right, so I'm going for this swoop flip look. My ends are kind of a little already flipped because I haven't been wrapping my hair. But what I want to do, I don't know which is my good side today. This side is breaking out a little bit, so let's go with this side. So I'm going to start with putting majority of my hair to one side, and I'm just going to comb do a little comb over and just trying to figure out, oh, I haven't did a swoop. I'm always a middle part girl, but, and I'm gonna wipe that away. So I want my part to be as straight as possible, and I'm not using a mirror. I'm using my camera screen for this, so, and my monitor. I mean, obviously you want your part to be as clean as possible, but, and I want it to be swooped and not like just straight. I want it to be like a little swoop. And I ain't gonna worry about this too much because I'm gonna do my edges a little bit. So I think this is the amount of hair I want to have. And my hair is still pretty shiny. Like I said, it's been about a week and a half since I did the silk press. And then after this, y'all might see some natural styles on my channel because I'm, you know, I can't go too many days putting heat on my hair. All right, so then we're going to comb it over. I'm just like lightly like swooping it, so it's like a little swoop. And then I'm gonna see if I can do this without pins. I'm just gonna take this little section and just tuck it behind my ear. Okay, so this is the start. Now we want to clean it up a little bit. I don't want to slick my hair down too much so it's like just flat to my head, but I'm gonna just use a little bit of spray to hold this in place. Get these flat irons off my legs because it's burning me. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of this spray. And again, it's a flexible hold, so it's not gonna be giving rock hard. Y'all see the spray glistening? So I'm gonna just lightly like swoop that over. Lightly. I still want it to look round and not like, I want it to look curved and not, I want it to look curved and not press this in a little bit. Okay. I think that's good. Now I'm going to, like I said, my ends are a little bit already flipped. That's how good this flat iron is. I haven't, once I did my last silk press from the last video, I didn't even touch my hair. Like, it's crazy that it's just flipped like this. When I did my silk press, my hair was bumped under. But because I didn't wrap my hair or anything, I was just, oh wow, it just started naturally flipping. So you can kind of already see the style a little bit, but this side is under. So we're gonna just do a little touch up on the ones that's already flipped. So I'm not gonna do too like small sections. I'm gonna just, so this is like a super quick hairstyle, but you'll see as the video transitions that it goes from like me looking dry to a little bit of, you know. So I'm just gonna take this and just give it, I have not flipped my hair with this before. So this is my first time. So I'm gonna just straight and then try to do flip. Okay. Which I think, let me know in the comment section. I missed a piece, so I'm just gonna go over it again. So I want it to be consistent. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And then we're gonna get the back. I do like the swoop that, like the flip that it naturally had, but you know, it's gonna fall over time. So this is the first one. Just get the other section. And I'm not even gonna get my kitchen because you ain't gonna see it. So, ouch, burnt my damn hand. Okay, my camera died, but let's pick up. So we did these two. We're gonna turn. Actually, I'm gonna get this side next, and then, so really just like 4 sections. So this is coming a little bit up, push that behind my ear. You know what? Let me get a clip. Okay, so I couldn't find a regular bobby pin, but I was looking. Let's just go for, I could do like a little flower for some extra little, or just a regular. Let's just, I guess it depends on what's your overall outfit for the day. Obviously, you could do a, let me just use this for now. So I'm gonna just tuck that under, like do like that. And then my brush, fix this a little bit. And remember, I said I don't want the straight line, so I'm just brushing it together first, so the little short pieces aren't. And then once I get it, then I'll like push it for an angle, and then I'll a little spray, and then slightly smooth it. Okay. think that's good for now. So let me finish bumping. So half is done. Gotta make sure I got the parts that aren't. So that's flipped. Now we gotta do these. So I'm gonna start with the back and comb gently, and then just flip over. I don't feel like that flip really did it, so we're going to just flip it a couple times. Okay, I think that's good enough. Then we're gonna split this into 2 more. And comb. So I really just did 5 little sections, and then I know I got that one piece that's not catching. Okay, last section. I think that was part of that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to my cousin's wedding in like a few weeks, and I might do this style. So that's why I'm doing this video, to share with y'all just some inspo, and then also like see if I like it and see what y'all think. See if I should wear this. Okay. It's cute. So now that we got the basic flip, that I'm trying to see if I like it. I'm just gonna go in with the little edge action, because I'm a 90s baby, and back when I was a kid, our parents used to have our baby hairs popping. So I'm gonna use this BaByLiss, put a little bit, not too much, and I ain't doing no dramatic edges. And back in the day, they just used regular toothbrushes. I'm just gonna little swoop a little bit, so this polishes the look a little bit right there. Then we're gonna fix this. Take that out of place a little bit. Then we're gonna get to this. A little bit, put a little bit of gel right there. And lightly brush. Smooth it in. Just a little piece of hair on my face. Can't see where it goes. Maybe right here. Put that in with that. Okay, now we gotta just make sure, I just wanna make sure this is like nicely swooped. We're gonna put it all together first, like I said, and then maybe I got a little bit of gel on my finger still, not a lot, but just a little bit, so I'm gonna just press that in. There we go. And I want this. I don't want this separated. I want this all together. So putting a little bit of edge control in your hand and swooping this, if you have any like little stray hairs, is helping. Okay. Okay, it's all together, and then I let it fall. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I was gonna put some hoops on, but I don't know. Let me know if y'all want to do like a get ready with me, like with the whole outfit with the hairstyle, so we can, you know, so y'all can see the whole thing. But this is just like the hair. Super quick, took like 10 minutes. It's cute. Okay, now you want to come down, huh? Okay. Okay, we might need a little more hairspray. Then I might just do a little hairspray on here so these won't really fall. I'm gonna wear my hair out like this. Okay, so then you can just let me try some hoops, because I know the 90s is all about hoops. Okay. Then these hoops are hooping, okay? What is that? Okay. Just looking a little raggedy. It's giving clean girl 90s, which I think. Let me know in the comments below. But this hairstyle was super quick, super simple, and it's just like, you know, something to switch it up so it won't look so basic.